Okay, we're back here on Mensch Life. Thanks very much for sticking with us on thatchannel.com on Tuesday, September the 8th. Question on mortgages was, what are the requirements for first-time buyers? Blue here from the studio had that question for us. So the answer is that lenders are typically looking for three things. Okay, the first is that you need to have established credit. So if you don't have credit, you got to get it. You got to get at least one, preferably two trade lines. A trade line is a credit card or a loan, line of credit. Could be an RSP loan, car loan, Visa card, whatever. Make sure there's a good limit on the card, ideally $2,000 or higher. If your limit's lower, try and get it increased. They want to see about a 2-year credit history. Okay, so once you've got that, you're on the way. Next is income. Lenders want to see income. So if you have a regular job, they want to see normally a job letter and a pay stub, and some history of income, usually a couple years, but there are exceptions to that. If you're self-employed and you can't prove income, it's still possible to get a mortgage. There are products out there for people who are self-employed. The third thing is down payment. They want to know that you have some down payment. You need to come up normally with 5% as a minimum. It can be done with less still. There was zero down mortgages here over a year ago, or was it close to a year ago when it was taken away, and there's still a product called a cashback mortgage where effectively you can get a zero down mortgage, but it's more expensive to do that. So the best scenario is to have 5% down, plus you'll need about another 1 to 1.5% in closing costs, although there are some great incentives for first-time buyers depending on where you're buying, where the land transfer tax, be it the Toronto tax or the Ontario tax, is either waived or eliminated. So that is also available. So those are some things you should work on. If you have questions, give us a call. My phone number is 416-876-2031. Visit our website, davidgrossman.ca, for more information. Thanks very much for being with us on today's show. And make sure you come back and check us out next Tuesday, 11 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time here on thatchannel.com. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you next week.